Welcome to the trading party. If you're brand new to trading, or if you've been taking random trades and losing money because you never had a real foundation, this is where you need to be. In this path, I'm going to walk through trading in a simple, structured, and practical way. First, I want you to understand something. Most people lose in trading not because trading is impossible, it's because they start in the wrong place. They start by trying to make money, mirroring people trading before they understand the movement. They focus on contracts before they understand charts. They focus on profits before they understand risk. In this beginner path, we are going to do the opposite. We are going to build you correctly. We're going to start with what trading is, how asset prices move, and how that affects the trade you're in. We're going to show you how to read a chart, how to identify strong areas on a chart, and how to stop taking random emotional entries. The goal right now is not to make you a fast trader. The goal is to make you a disciplined trader. If you take this path seriously, by the end of it, you should understand what trading is, assets price moves, how to read basic price action, and how to stop treating trading like guessing. Let's get started.